So this is the only thing I could think of without being thirst trappy. So just know what we're gonna do real quick is how to wash. Like it's like a little two-part. So do like, so you already got the like how to sleep tip earlier. This is like how to wash it. I'm in grandma's bathroom, so don't even try to play them in their decor design. But yeah, anyway, just know I'm gonna give this a tip another day. But you can't wear t-shirts, so you can't wear hoodies, anything that goes over the head. You can't play with for the first 7. Oh. But yeah, anyway, so you're gonna get products from whoever your surgeon is. They're gonna these what I got from Turkey. These are amazing. This is like day 5 of me using these good stuff. You want to have a cup or a bottle, just whatever you're going to do to pour it over, because you can't be under a shower head. You can't spray, none of that. You got to be really gentle or the grafts will come out. So first and foremost, this is a foam. So this serves as like almost like the shampoo, but this is more repairing the actual the scalp and grafts area. So you see I'm up here trying to do it. Alright, you're not whatsoever massaging or lathering. You're not doing none of that. No sir, no ma'am. So this is, let me come closer. This is the implanted area. So wherever they took hair from my donor area, which was my back area, I'm just literally patting it like that in there. And I'm gonna hit one more in here like boom, boom. I shouldn't waste this. A little goes a long way. So I would say about 10 pumps to cover the implanted area. Again, not doing the donor area. Now peep this. This is for this particular one. I have to let it sit for 15, 20, or 25 minutes. Depending on how long it takes for all of the foam to just be clear. So usually like 20 minutes, but I'll be back. Okay, 25 minutes has passed. And as you can see, it's pretty much like it's gone, like it dried up. But it's saturated in my scalp. So I'm not gonna rinse that out first. What I'm gonna do is add my shampoo. So I'm gonna take a little bit of my hand like that, like so. What's up, Aunt Tab? And we just gonna put it like that. Now we're putting it in the transplanted area, and we're gonna put it around the donor area. Now, low key, this is the equivalent of baby shampoo. That's literally, this is just whatever place you go get your work done. This is their version of a baby shampoo. It's supposed to have like little to no ingredients as far as what's essential to keep the scalp clean and hydrated. And if it gets in your eye, you're not supposed to have no issues. And low key, this did get in my eye before, and it was cool. But as you see, I'm patting. I'm not rubbing. I'm not massaging. This is only day 5, so we can't act like we at the spa and we massaging it or nothing like that. The best part about this, you don't have to wait long at all. You're pretty much just hydrating the scalp, so you can rinse it right away. Like, hey, like I told you, I'm gonna find a better way to do this. Like I said, I'm just trying to make sure I don't be all thirst trappy. Well, I'm just trying to get some fat out here. All right, so now I got the cup of some water. You want to make it warm. You can use tap. The water's pretty, I don't know if it's hard or soft. I'm on the East Coast right now. Y'all never know I live out in LA, but I'm on the East Coast. And the water feels a little harder here. But either way, we got a Poland Spring little dispenser. But this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to just pour it on just like that. Ooh. Now, mind you, it is cold. Try to make it a little warm. I wasn't thinking. And it's that simple. I mean, being that it's not a big lather, low key, it's pretty simple. You're just rinsing it out. You're hitting up on the sides right here. And the rinse has to knock it all out. You can't massage it out. You can't even wipe it out, because when it's time to dry it, you're gonna see in a little bit, I'm gonna pat dry it. You see what I'm doing? Oh yeah, I can't really see my bad, y'all. So I'm just putting it like, see that right there? It's good in the eye, no issues, because the shampoo, look, I got you. Alright. Hey, I'm gonna get better at these videos, y'all. You will see. Let me put the angle up a little better. But yeah, just like that. Like that, like so. Now it's time to dry it. So I like these face cloths, these disposable face cloths. I don't like a washcloth on my face anyway, or like really putting a towel on my face. It's just crazy. So first I like to get my eye area, get that all out the way. And then I'm going to start with my transplanted area. And I'm not going crazy because you don't want the cloths or whatever you use. Maybe you don't have these disposable one-time use face cloths, and you're using like a washcloth, or I wouldn't recommend a paper towel unless it's like some bamboo stuff, because you don't want those chemical white fibers sticking to your head. But hey, do you? I mean, I'm looking down at my socks. You got a fresh pair of cotton socks, or just whatever's clean. Maybe a towel. You just want to pat it dry. And you want to take your time, because if you start going crazy, you will irritate your scalp and you will cause some inflammation. All I'm doing is like pat, 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 nice and, you know, until we done. Then I take the rest, just give my face a little wipe, a little wipey wipe. I clean my face already, but you know, that's that. Boom. Day 5. This was like part 2 or part 3. I don't know how I'm gonna break this up, but it's just hair washing. Like, how do we go with the foam? They may give you a foam. If they don't give you a foam, it's cool. They probably gave you a shampoo, and the shampoo, if they didn't give you a shampoo, you got to get one for your own. Johnson & Johnson, or you know how CVS got compared to Johnson & Johnson, or Walgreens. Do we still support Walgreens? I don't know if we support Walgreens, but wherever the day this video is recorded, a lot of these companies been acting up. But anyway, you just want to get some type of baby shampoo that's going to be very, very easy on the scalp, easy on the eye.